Welcome. If you love looking back at your favorite moments on Facebook, you're going to want to make sure you never miss a single memory. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable Memories notifications on your Facebook page using your PC, all updated for the latest version of Facebook. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select the page you want to manage. After you've entered your page, you'll see your page's profile photo. Click on it to access your page's main dashboard. Now, let's move on to the settings. On the left-hand side, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will reveal a few more options. Click on Settings from this list. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Notifications tab. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the different types of notifications you can manage for your page. Scroll down until you find Memories. This is where you can control how you get notified about your past posts, anniversaries, and special moments. Click on Memories to open the options. Here's the most important step. Make sure to enable Allow Notifications on Facebook. This switch will ensure you receive alerts whenever there's a memory to revisit. And that's it. You've just set up Memories notifications for your Facebook page. Now, every time a special memory pops up, you'll get a notification right on your Facebook. It's a great way to keep the best moments from your page alive and share them with your followers all over again. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your trip down memory lane.